Hey guys, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making some sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. Over here I've got about 6 potatoes going in some well salted water. Yes, I have it on the burner, but I'm not in a hurry for these to get done. I've got some salt and pepper, some sour cream, some granulated garlic. I've got about half a cup of milk that I may need. I'm going to heat it up in the microwave. Chives. I'm using dried chives because even though I tried to find fresh chives this past weekend, they looked horrible. So I'm going with fresh chives. Alright, we'll get these done. Oh, I'll be adding a little bit of butter too, but I'm going to get these done and drained, and then we'll bring you back for the mashing.
Okay.
Alright, I put a little dab of butter in here. Now I'm going to put some sour cream in. Actually, hold on. I'm going to put some granulated garlic. You know, I always say granulated garlic because that is what it says, but it's just garlic powder to me. Oh. Use the salt and pepper elsewhere. Add some pepper. And some salt. Now some sour cream. Yes, I'm doing all this before I beat it. This is 8 ounces, which is a cup. And yes, I cooked them to death. But that's alright, because y'all know I hate doing this. And I know some of y'all told me, oh, you should use a mixer. I personally don't like them. Whenever I use a mixer, they get pasty because I overmix them. Just don't overmix them. Okay, easier said than done. We got some. It's just hard because of my shoulder, but Tony's having shoulder. Hey, I don't know if y'all remember or not. A couple of videos ago, I was using my KitchenAid and get ready to use it, and he didn't plug it in. And he said that wasn't in his job description. Well, guess what? Today I made him a job description. His title is he's a minion. And he's on probation for valving off to me. He did sign it, so it's written in stone. His jobs are pretty narrow. I'm known as the boss. What else then? I'm going to add some more chives. I wish I had some fresh, but they were brown. They were pre-dried. Alright, I'm going to get everything out. Tonight we're having blackened tilapia, which I will provide a link to that I've already done. It's oven blackened tilapia. And corn. So we'll be back and plate everything up. See you in a few. Alright guys, our garlic, sour cream and chive mashed potatoes are done. I tasted them, they're good. I've got some corn.
Oh, there goes the plate.
I'm only fixing my plate. Our happy-go-lucky life is not doing well. I think lightning hit our, our TV tonight.
The house.
The whole house. It was horrible. It scared the crap out of me. And our oven blackened tilapia, which I will leave a link to at the end, on the end screen. Alright guys, I thank y'all for joining me. I really love having y'all here. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, I'd love to have y'all in the family. We've got so many things coming up. And share this out on your social media. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and like. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.
That's it. I'm out of here. You turn it off. Oh. Sorry, my job description.